In this video, you will learn how to install Quick Connect brackets and do basic installation of quick attach sectional docks. This will complement other detailed information provided in Flow's owner's manual. Before getting started, it is important to have a dock layout to ensure that you install the proper amount of Quick Connects in the correct location on each section. Our Design-A-Dock tool is ideal to help you lay out and visualize the dock system prior to assembly and installation. In order to do the assembly, you will need the following tools. It will take one person less than 2 minutes to install a pair of Quick Connects. When adding another dock section, the Quick Connects are attached to the dock by inserting them into the track that runs along the entire edge of the quick attached dock. This allows you to add dock sections and accessories anywhere you want them. Attach a Quick Connect to both sides of the dock. It is very important that the Quick Connects are placed as far apart as possible to accept the next dock section. This ensures the dock sections will stay perfectly aligned and provide maximum stability. Once the Quick Connects are spread out to the edges in order to keep the sections from shifting, you must tighten the bottom bolt on each Quick Connect before installing the section into the water and before adding another section. This will ensure the Quick Connects stay in place. Use a 9/16" wrench to tighten the bottom bolt, then torque to 6 foot-pounds. Repeat on the other Quick Connect. After you've determined where the dock will be placed in the water, set the first section in. You must level it in both directions at the proper height. Typically, the dock deck height should be set at a minimum of 17 inches off the water, or as high as needed to allow the largest waves to flow under the dock. Place the second section in and level it in both directions. Once installed and leveled, tighten the horizontal bolt on the Quick Connect to lock the sections together. Use a 9/16" wrench to tighten the horizontal bolt, then torque to 8 foot-pounds. Repeat on the other Quick Connect. Additional straight-out dock sections can be added by placing Quick Connects at the end of each preceding section. Sundecks, slips, and wedges can be added by placing Quick Connects on the side of the main dock, then spreading them out as far as possible before locking them into place. Thank you for choosing Flow. Please consult your local dealer if you need additional assistance.